Hello everyone, I'm Angela with Burnley & Trowbridge, and I'm excited to share one of our latest reproduction ventures for your fashion needs. Many of you may be familiar with Laura Maitland, known as London Mudlark on social media. Her years of mudlarking have brought important finds to the history of London. We were so excited when she agreed to allow us to reproduce some of her finds, such as sleeve buttons. Sleeve buttons could be as inexpensive as a mixed metal called pinchbeck, or as costly as gold set with paste or even real jewels. They were used to close the cuff of a shirt or a shift like this, and sometimes the neck opening of a shirt, like this. To install your sleeve buttons, you will need 2 buttonholes large enough to slide your button through. Slide 1 button, and then the other to secure your cuff. Use the same technique if you wish to do it at the collar as well. You can read more about each of our reproductions on our website and add this accessory to your next make.